परमात्म समारंभम ऋषिगण मध्यमम सद्गुरु पर्यंतम वंदे गुरु परंपरम। आदेश जय महाकाल। Now you can see the Varma Matire. That concept now you can see. So Varma Matire means is a pressure technique. In science of Varma, one important concept is there. Varma Matire. Matire means suppose one Varma point is there. Even therapeutical point of view or lateral point of view, if you touch that particular point, how much pressure point of view, that pressure technique is called as a Varma Matire. Here one main thing is there. Three types of pressure techniques is there. The pressure technique is a three categories is there. First one is that's called as a that pressure technique called as a matra. Matra means doses. So here kal matra, ar matra, mul matra. These three types of matras is there. Kal matra means suppose one point is there particular. That point of view, if you pressure in 1/4 level of pressure, then called as a kal matra. Ara matra means half of pressure. Ara means half. Mul matra. That mul matra is called as a full level of pressure. So that healer or that attacker, whatever, it hitting point of view or treatment point of view, that how much the in-depth of pressure is there, that's called as a kal matra. That's called a mul matra. Mul matra means full pressure. Kal matra is 1/4, ar matra is half. This is three types. Here measurements point of view, 1 point to 1 point is there, distance. That distance calculated also some people is telling that 1 point to another point between the distance centimeters calculated is also one kind of Varma Matire. They are telling some people is telling like that, but whatever their own opinion. But seriously, 1 point, if you concentrate on a particular 1 point, that particular Varma point, therapeutical view or lateral view. Lateral view means like hitting point of view. In fighting point of view, hitting point of view, in martial arts point of view, that's called a lateral view. That whatever that view, that level of pressure is called as a Varma Matire. That Varma Matire also, even in concept of Ayurveda, the Susita is mostly explained the Varma concept because he is the father of surgeon in India. So he is BC time, before Christ time, he is explained some important Varma points in his Sarirasthana, Susita Sarirasthana, explained clearly. The every point, that pressure levels also you can calculate it. Is telling like a inches point of view. Inches means angula. Angula means inches. So 1 inch, 1.5 inch, half inch, 2 inches. That level of pressure, if you give that related effect will you can appear. So these type of things are called as a that pressure technique is called as a Varma Matire. Here one important is there. In especially we can remember the Varma Matire. suppose this is one point is there. This is, it's, you can call as in Ayurveda is a Chipra, in Tamil Varma is a Kauli Varma, like that. Suppose here, this point is there, you can see clearly. Then I can touch like that. It's very small pressure only, very little bit small. If suppose unnecessarily, if you give this much of pressure, this is in future convert as a Varma Idu. So when you are studying in science of Varma, then your instructor or your masters, if you touch immediately, they can relieve that thing immediately like that. So the total channel will clear immediately. Otherwise, this very simple technique, very simple pressure only, very simple. Even kids also can bear this level of pressure, but in future it will convert it as a one major disease. That's called as a Varmaidu. Varmaidu already, that related concept available in our channel. One video is there in previously. Then you can see that. So this simple thing is converted as a Varmaidu. Varmaidu means in future arise some other health complications. If you more pressure, more and more level of pressure, it will immediately impact. That victim suffered immediately. So this is the clear example of the Varma Matire. Varma Matire means, suppose one patient is there. Suppose that patient have some spine problem or some frozen shoulder problem is there. So this is my left shoulder example. This left shoulder I have some pain is there. So I can't lift clearly. Some pain is there. I can't move in freely. Then this related some important Varma points is there, that all the related things have to treat. Then in that time, I am the patient. So according to this patient body strength point of view, that Varman is fineless. How much pressure we can give that for clearing this problem. If you give the more pressure like Mulmatra, then this shoulder totally destroyed. It's 100% no working. Is no one cure that complaint. It's totally only I can't move. I can't do anything. Totally it's locked. Suppose if sometimes some points is there, that you can apply the Kalmatra, sometimes it may not affect. So sometimes you can give the Armatra. So mostly Kalmatra and Armatra is related to therapeutical point of view, treatment oriented. Mulmatra mostly related to lateral point of view, in martial arts point of view. In enemy hitting point of view, you can use the Mulmatra. Kalmatra and Armatra mostly using the treatment session. So in the treatment session, the Marmani totally treat the shoulder related total waves is there, like nadis is there. That nadis point of view totally is stimulated. Then it will become a normal. So I can lift, I can move, everything is there. So if you touch and more, then it's not 100%, it's stop the work. So this is the very important concept in the science of Varma. It's a Varma Matire. It's actually Tamil, old Tamil language. It's a Varma Matire. So in Marma, in Sanskrit point of view, it's a Marma Matra. Matra means dosage. Dosage means is pressure technique. So Marma Matra is there. So this is the concept of the Varma Matire. So I sincerely I request you all the my dear and near viewers. So even comedy point of view, happiness point of view, joking point of view, if you don't touch the vulnerable spots to other people, so if you do that like that, that day or that time maybe it's a calm, it's a common, but after some days, after some time, it will converted as a major complications. But in that time, generally so many patients asked me, sir, my lifestyle is very good. I am very best healthy lifestyle I maintain. But I have this problem. Why, sir? Why arising? What is the cause to arising this problem? That's called as a Varma-Idu. 99% of nowadays problems arising the Varma-Idu problems. Already Varma-Idu one previous video is available in our channel. You please see that, then you can understand. So you don't touch the some vulnerable spots. You don't touch. So if you little bit touch, also sometimes after some days it will convert it as a some effect. So this is the Varma Matire. This is major concept of the science of Varmam or Marma Shastra or Marma Kala, whatever it may be. Okay. Thank you. Atma Namaskar.